जय हिंद एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ श्री राम पब्लिक स्कूल. I am your assistant teacher and today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 13, Human Resources. In this chapter, we will know about human as resource, reasons for India being underdeveloped, steps taken by the government. Look at the graph showing distribution of the population and answer these questions. It is some activity is given for you and let us start this chapter. First topic is given in your book is human as resource. India is blessed with rich natural resources. The natural resources alone are of no use if not utilized wisely and efficiently. To utilize these resources effectively, we need people who are educated, rational, intelligent, and skilled. The people of a country are called its human resource. They are a country's most valuable resource. Human as resource. India is blessed with rich natural resources. India has many natural resources, but these natural resources are useless when any good people who cannot utilize these natural resources well mannered and efficiently. Utilize these resources efficiently. We need people who are educated and skilled. They can use these resources and intelligent and skilled. The people of a country are called its human resource. They are a country's most valuable resource who are responsible for the development of their country. Reasons for India being underdeveloped. Why India is underdeveloped? This is the reason given here. India has the second largest population in the world. A large number of people in India live below the poverty line. This means most of the people in the country earn less than their daily needs. They do not earn enough to fulfill their needs. The main reason for poverty in India is its ever increasing population. India has the second largest population in the world. India in the second position in the population. First position is China. And a large number of people in India live below poverty line. Many people in India are poor because they have not sufficient money according to their needs. That means most of the people in country earn less than their needs. The main reason for poverty in India is day by day increasing population. India's population is unevenly distributed. Plains and deltas are densely populated, while desert and hilly areas are sparsely populated. In India, most of the people live in villages and agriculture is the main occupation. 3 out of 4 Indians live in villages. India's population is unevenly distributed. In India, population is not distributed equally because of the landforms. Plains and deltas are densely populated. Most of the population living in the plain areas and delta areas, while desert and hilly areas some are populated. And in India, most of the people live in villages. And agriculture is the main occupation of our country. 3 out of 4 Indians live in villages. For the past many years, many people from villages have been moving to cities in search of work. Many people move from villages to cities in search of work, and this movement is known as migration. The migrated people face many problems in cities, such as finding shelter and jobs. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. We will discuss this topic in next video, and step taken by the government will be discussed.